I have some questions to somebody who is usually never shy of an answer. Good morning, Roland.
Hey, Felix, you are full of energy this morning, right?
Yeah, that's I try to be. It was a longer evening yesterday. You were part of the press conference on Tuesday.
Yes.
So maybe you are one to ask for our business numbers of 2025.
Yeah, I think it's a good tradition that during the trade show in November, Hans and Johannes Beckhoff in this case are also put some light into the business development. But honestly, before they shared the numbers, they actually touched ground with technology.
Okay, so
So,
they basically did a live and interactive for the press.
More or less. They started with the history of EtherCAT. Some people know this, that EtherCAT was founded 2003 by Beckhoff, and since that day, it's our automation standard, and it's also a global automation standard. And they somehow recalled this a little bit, and also the timeline with the EtherCAT development. And they also touched base with the artificial intelligence possibilities we have. So it was a little live and interactive in the beginning. Never than that, of course, we also talked about numbers.
Okay.
And you remember the last years were very fluctuating. We had a tremendous growth. We also had a slower year, 2024. But good news, in 2025, we are growing again. We are back on our normal growth path. And we expect around 7% growth. And this will bring us to 1.25 billion euros in sales globally. And the interesting is that the global market is growing a little bit, but Asia is performing a little bit better.
Okay.
So we see more growth in Asia, which is a good situation because this is an important sales split for our company.
Talking about growth, you mentioned the ETG founded in 2003, so 22 years ago, and it's still growing crazy, right? So more than 500 companies, I think, joined this year.
Yeah, 586 new
Wow.
companies joined the ETG. This is the user organization of ETG, where actually everybody can join on a technical perspective to share EtherCAT. And this actually shows, I think, the quality of our development, that this is still an ongoing business there.
It's still growing faster than ever. Okay, talking about the business numbers, what does this mean for you personally?
Well, I think for me, really for me personally, it's a good situation. Beckhoff is a private-owned, financial, stable company, and we are back on the growth track, so we can continue to develop products. I can continue to work with my team to develop new products. I can keep going to customers, and customers can trust us that we are still there. So it gives me a comfortable situation, to be honest, that I can be there also in the future.
A sense of stability and for ongoing development. What will the next year bring for us as a company?
Yeah. Well, the world is a little unstable, as we all know. Nevertheless, we are optimistic. We are really optimistic that we will have future growth also next year. We invest already for the growth. We just built up a brand new warehouse, 70,000 square meter warehousing for products to be shipped in the world. We invest in the countries. We open offices with more people to be closer to the customers.
Yep.
So we are a clear vision to continue growing our business.
Nice, very good. Now I will let you catch a little bit of breath, so I can enjoy some of your favorite products.
You got the best.
See you in a bit.
All right, let's go.